In this lecture, we are going to adjust the speed of a video clip and also add a freeze frame. First, I have a very brief video clip. I'm going to play it in normal speed. To adjust the speed of the video clip, I'm going to right-click on the clip and then select Show Clip Inspector. Now this little window is going to pop up. It tells you that the clip is 6 seconds long. If we want to speed up the clip, that means we're going to be making it shorter than 6 seconds. I'm going to take the speed, click on the slider, and then drag it to the left. So now you can see I have shortened the clip to 1.7 seconds, which makes it 351% of the speed. So it's going to be a lot faster. So now let's take a look. If I want to slow down the clip, I would simply, again, right-click, Show Clip Inspector, except in this time, instead of shortening the clip, I'm going to lengthen it. So instead of 100%, now I need to go less than 100%. So now, for example, I'm going to go at 48%. So let's take a look. So as you can see, this is basically slow motion. Finally, the last thing we're going to do here under the clip inspector is you can also play the clip in reverse. And that is adjusting the speed of a clip using the clip inspector. Suppose I wanted to pause my video clip somewhere in the middle, say right here, wherever my playhead is, and I wanted to create a still image here. Maybe I'm going to do a little bit of a voiceover before continuing. Well, to do that, I'm going to add a freeze frame. Simply right-click on the clip and then select Add Freeze Frame. This has added a still image in the middle of this video clip. I can adjust the length of the still image. For example, if I wanted it longer, I would move my playhead till the end of it, drag the bottom of the playhead to create more space, and then take that freeze frame and extend it. So that is adding a freeze frame in the middle of a video clip. And that is adjusting the video speed as well as adding a freeze frame.